Alrighty, Monday Kite Geek here, and I am not feeling the best. I have been sick again. We are here with our A-Leader X-Train shoes, link in the comment description, and we have got George at the front, and we are going to try and get some more topwater cicadas in winter. I'm laid up, I've got thermals on, big jumpers on, everything. So, taking every precaution I can to keep warm. It's really windy, it's hence why we're not fishing out in the main lake. So here we go, let's get some gompers. Got him to switch. It's a Bream. It's a 50. Well, that could be a 75. You didn't turn your camera on, did you? You don't have it on you, do you? Oh! The Bream. Yep. Well, not a donut. Mine's going nearly 20 centimetres. Yeah, he's going 20 centimetres. Monday Kite Geek here. Just a quick update. I am getting better slowly. Hopefully, I've been sick since I think it was mid-June or something like that. And I get a bit better, then get sick again, get a bit better, then sick again. So hopefully I'm at the tail end of it right now. The session that we had, it was more of a reconnaissance thing for George and I. Yes, we were topwater cicada fishing for Bream, but it was more to go up the creek and figure out where the branches were, the tree logs and the stumps and stuff after all the storms we had earlier on. And some of it did change. There's one particular part which you see towards the end of the bit that you're watching right now, and there's a tree all the diagonally out into the creek. Well, that used to go pretty much the whole way across the creek. So a lot has changed in that creek since the last time we were there. And a part of this is, so in summer months, I know there's EPs up there, and we're going to probably take a lot more like weedless setups and stuff like that. It's just well as cicadas, but weedless setups, grubs and bugs. And we're going to cast them under the trees and hopefully in the stumps and stuff like that. And hopefully we can get some EPs, maybe a bass if they live up there. Personally, I haven't seen one, but there's EP, so good chance of bass. That's about it. There's rain forecast for all this weekend, so I don't know if we're going to go out this weekend as well. So these videos are going to be short at the moment until the weather warms up or until I get good weather to go out and actually fish. And there's a few other things that I've got in the pipeline. Can't really say too much right now. It all depends on health and time and weather at the moment. So take it easy. Thanks for watching. And shout out to George. Thanks so much, mate, for coming out and spending time with me. I really appreciate it, and you doing what you do for me and helping me out, looking around and different ideas. Really appreciate it. All right, thanks everyone, and have a nice day.
Fan? What do you want? Yeah. Yeah, no, go sama. Never put anything on. Put nothing on. Fan? Masa ada tangan apa punya? Masa di bawah nang pakai ndak tak kok. Ya kan, kan. Fan? Banyak bisa dilihat. Bisa dilihat tuh. Terus kayak bigong pakai bawah, semua tanza. Oh, another about the camera second. Really cool. So the white circle, right in the middle. There's got like two little quite about right. There's got like two little yeah, I think you're playing by 3 weeks. There's some coming. Watch out, middle, big stick, right middle. You see it? I can't see it left. Semi-submerged. No! Bird's nest in tree. I did a double, bird's nest and tree. Coming.